Hello guys, this is just a video of one of my properties in Coventry, 3-story in Parkside area. It's quite large, so it got a front garden over here, low maintenance obviously, and this is the front entrance, and beside the entrance there's this what I call a Amazon delivery room, where the postman is gonna put your parcels there. It's really handy. It's quite suitable for modern days, like online shopping era, I think. So let's get into the property. Right, I'm in the hallway now. As you can see, it's quite a modern decor, and on your left-hand side there is a toilet with a washing basin. So it's quite handy. This is a utility room on the ground floor where you can wash your clothes and dry it in the tumble dryer. And it's quite newly refurbished. And this is just another storage space for you. To put some luggage, suitcase, stuff like that. So this door leads to the rear garden of the house. As you can see, it's really a nice view, nice garden, low maintenance, all green, a lot of veg here and flowers. And this is the shed, and that's the area. And obviously, ground floor, first floor, second floor, that's the basically the view of the rear garden. And there we are now in the house. Right, let me show you the one of the small bedroom over here. This is the bedroom without ensuite. You got double bed right here. You got a quite large IKEA wardrobe. I think it's 2.2 meters tall and 1.2 meters wide. And you also have this desk and this French window, I think, which gives you quite nice view of the garden. So next door there will be this ensuite double bedroom. So all the beds in this property are double bed, and it's quite spacious. As you can see, it's probably the biggest room in the house. And you also have a lovely view of the green and the rear and the front garden as well, and a very spacious wardrobe. Let me just open this for you. With a lot of drawers, different drawers. All right, and because this is the ensuite, and you get this: a toilet, a shower, and also a cabinet with a washing basin. Yeah, it's quite nice. And let me show you the first floor. I'm going up to the first floor. There's no bedroom on this floor, just the kitchen and the living room for you to relax and enjoy your food. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Yeah, this is the kitchen area. It got a big shelf where you put your bread and fruit dishes and pans here, microwave, storage unit, actually integrated fridge, freezer, and dishwasher. So it's area, hob, oven. It's very basic equipment. Because the open plan, you can see you can see everybody enjoy their teas in the living room. This is the living room. 55-inch TV with about 200 channels, I think, from the satellite and the aerial. It also is smart TV, so you can hook up your Amazon Prime Video or Netflix. Every TV you see in this property is smart TV, so you can enjoy all the streaming services. And there are also big fridge, American style fridge freezer. It's about, I think, 1.9 meters tall. Fridge on the right and freezer on the left. So it's really big. So I made sure you guys would have enough storage, refrigerated space. So over here is my favorite spot. It's a balcony. If you go onto this balcony, and you can see it's really a cozy area. Grab a beer from the fridge and enjoy it here while enjoying this stunning view from the green. It's actually private. All the landlord here chips in to maintain the garden, the green. So it's a stunning view. Right. Okay, that's the first floor. Let me take you to the second floor. And there are 3 bedrooms on the second floor, one of which is ensuite. This is the ensuite one. So there's double bed obviously over here, and there's a mirror, and there's a built-in wardrobe. Doesn't look like that big, but this is probably the biggest wardrobe because the built-ins go all the way to the ceiling. Let me open that for you. It's built-in, as you can see all the way. Yeah. And this is a smart TV as well, and this is a perfect angle to the bed, so you can just lie on the bed and watch some telly. It's fantastic. I think it's ITV now. So because this is ensuite, you got this shower, a toilet, and a washing basin. Obscured glass as well. Yeah, this is how the rear garden looks like from the top floor. So it's really nice. Look at the rear garden. Yeah, look at the sky today. It's really nice. Let me just show you the communal bathroom. This is the communal bathroom, where you have a toilet, washing basin, and a tub with a shower on top. Yeah, that's the communal bathroom. This is one of the standard bedroom without ensuite, and you have this double bed, a desk, a stunning view of the private green over the bed, over the window. Look at that. And that's the front garden. Obviously it has a very big IKEA wardrobe, exactly the same size as the ones you saw downstairs. And next door is another bedroom, standard bedroom without ensuite. So this is just a desk area and a double bed and a wardrobe here, and obviously another beautiful view of the green on the front. And that's the driveway. If you drive, that's going to be a plus point. Okay guys, that's everything I want to show you. Thanks very much for viewing.